Have you ever wondered why a substance that can make people feel so good can also make them feel so bad? Welcome to the paradox of alcohol, a conundrum as old as civilization itself. Alcohol, in its many forms, has been a constant companion throughout human history, interwoven with our celebrations, our sorrows, our traditions, and our daily lives. It's a global phenomenon, enjoyed in moderation by millions around the world. And yet, this same substance, so often associated with joy and camaraderie, can also lead to profound health issues and personal tragedies. Alcohol's duality lies in its ability to both enhance and impair our health, a Jekyll and Hyde of the beverage world. It can be a social lubricant, an aid to relaxation, even a source of culinary delight. But when consumed in excess, it can wreak havoc on our bodies and our lives. The key to understanding alcohol's effects lies in the dose. Too much of a good thing can be harmful. This is especially true when it comes to alcohol. When we overindulge, alcohol can quickly turn from a social lubricant to a health hazard. Let's take a close look at the science behind this. Excessive drinking can lead to a host of health complications. It's common knowledge that alcohol can damage the liver, but did you know it can also lead to heart disease? Long-term heavy drinking weakens the heart muscle, leading to a condition called alcoholic cardiomyopathy. But the damage doesn't stop at physical ailments. Alcohol can also have a profound impact on our mental well-being. It can lead to depression, anxiety, and other mental health disorders. Moreover, it can impair the immune system, leaving us more vulnerable to infections. Finally, and perhaps most alarmingly, heavy alcohol consumption can increase the risk of certain cancers, including breast, mouth, throat, esophagus, and liver cancers. In excess, alcohol can cause more harm than good. But not all is doom and gloom when it comes to alcohol. Moderation is the key. When consumed in moderate amounts, alcohol can have some surprising health benefits. Let's delve into the science behind it. Researchers have found that moderate drinking, especially of red wine, can potentially have positive effects on heart health. It's believed that the antioxidants in red wine may help prevent heart disease by increasing levels of good cholesterol and protecting against artery damage. Alcohol in moderation can also have a positive impact on longevity. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that moderate drinkers had a lower risk of early death compared to those who abstain or drink heavily. Beyond the physical benefits, alcohol can play a role in social bonding and stress relief. It can help people relax, make social interactions more enjoyable, and even foster connections that might not otherwise happen. In moderation, alcohol can be part of a healthy lifestyle. So, how do we find the balance between enjoying alcohol and maintaining our health? It begins by understanding moderation. Setting limits is crucial. Decide beforehand how many drinks you're going to have and stick to it. And remember, it's not a race. Take your time to savor each sip. Consider choosing lower alcohol options. Many beverages offer the same delightful flavors with less alcohol content. You can still enjoy the social aspects of drinking without the heavy hit of alcohol. Another strategy is to alternate alcoholic drinks with non-alcoholic ones. This not only helps to limit your alcohol intake but also keeps you hydrated. It's also important to remember that alcohol shouldn't be a coping mechanism for stress. There are healthier ways to manage stress such as exercise, meditation, or talking things out with someone you trust. And if alcohol consumption becomes problematic, don't hesitate to seek help. There are numerous resources available. Remember, when it comes to alcohol and health, it's all about balance and moderation.